In this video, I'm answering a question: when are requirements frozen on an agile project?
So requirements are fixed before the project starts, just like a normal waterfall project.
That is the big difference between Agile and
Yeah.
Waterfall. That
So
your requirements are Agile, right? One of the core
okay.
value of 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 Agile is
Mm,
before every sprint, your requirements can change. Your
okay.
requirements are static only for a single sprint, the sprint
Okay.
that is in flight,
Okay.
right? So the sprint planning exercise, you define my sprint goal. Then you don't want to change that sprint goal.
Okay.
That is why we recommend that sprints be small duration,
Small.
no longer than a
Okay.
month.
Okay.
In most cases, I've used 2 week sprints.
Mm-hmm.
1 week is too short, and in my opinion, 4 weeks is too long,
Too long.
even for that purposes. Because in today's ever-changing world, requirements tend to change. You
Mm.
cannot, even for a month, can say my
Yeah.
requirements are not going to change.
Not going to.
But 2 weeks, maximum 3 week sprints
Weeks.
is an ideal sprint length from my experience.
Okay.
However, again, from exam perspective,
Mm-hmm.
1 month or less
Less.
is
Okay.
their definition.
Okay.
So if requirements are constantly changing, because product owner is the one who's deciding, but product owner is getting feedback from various different stakeholders. As any
Okay.
large project, just like Waterfall, you have multiple stakeholders.
Mm-hmm.
So they're constantly talking to you. And one of the beautiful thing is that you have a working software at the end of every sprint.
Okay.
Okay. When you have a working software at the end of the sprint, meaning people are now using it.
No. Okay.
And when you use it, you say, I didn't
Mm.
realize that this is going to
That.
happen. I think I need to change this workflow from here to here.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't realize that these fonts and these color sizes are going to be like this. I want to change
Mm-hmm.
that, and oh, I need one more button here. Oh, this needs to be mandatory and not, So you're constantly scope will be
Keeps changing.
changing,
Mm-hmm.
and that adaptability, that agility to accommodate those requirements is key. Now, question is, some of those requirements may not be as critical. So you say, yeah, I understand that scope. We'll write that story,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not high priority. I'm going to keep it at bottom because there's some other high priority. And
Okay.
that is decided by your product owner.
Mm-hmm.
Right? He is or she is the individual responsible for making sure that we are producing a product that is acceptable and valuable for the end users.
Yes.
This was a clip from one of my Agile training workshop. If you too are interested in learning Agile, send me a message by leaving a comment below or visiting my website. Till next time, adios.